Hi, my name is Brendan Flaherty. I'm a lawyer at Pritzker Olson. I'm here to talk a little bit about dog attacks and litigating dog attack claims in court. Every year in the United States, over 300,000 people are attacked by dogs and require medical treatment. Of those 300,000 or so people who are attacked and need medical treatment, 60% are children. It's a serious problem, and these attacks can result in severe, life-altering injuries for the people who are attacked. First thing you want to do is obviously call the police. The police will help you identify the dog, identify the dog's owner, and hopefully track down insurance information for the dog's owner. The second thing that I like to tell my clients is to photograph your injuries, especially in scarring cases where there's a significant bite to your face, your arm, or leg. That you want to capture how that scarring looks at the time, and it allows us as your attorneys to tell your story better when it comes time to do that. When I talk to someone who's a family who's had a child or a loved one attacked by a dog, they often have a lot of questions because it's not as common as, say, a car accident. One of the most frequent questions I get asked is, will the homeowner's insurance for the dog owner pay for the damage that the dog caused? And the answer is yes, almost always. Certain homeowners insurance policies do have exclusions for certain breeds. For example, pit bulls can be excluded from certain homeowners insurance policies, and in those cases there may not be coverage. That's one of the reasons it's important to hire an experienced lawyer to get those insurance policies, track them down, analyze them, and hopefully find coverage through them. Another question is basically, what's the law? Does the owner have to make a mistake, have to be negligent or reckless in order to be liable for what their dog does? And the answer is, in most states, not all states, but in most states, there's statutes which make the owner of a dog liable for the conduct of that dog. So if my dog gets off his leash or runs out of the yard and goes and bites a kid, I'm responsible, even if I didn't really do anything wrong, or even if the dog is normally perfectly well behaved. The last question a lot of people ask me about dog cases is, when you do have a dog owner who is reckless, is there any way to punish that person? And the answer is, in most states, yes, there is. If you have a dog who you've bred to be dangerous, for example, a pit bull that's bred for fighting or to be a guard dog and is dangerous to almost any person or child, yes, we can go after that person for punitive damages. Those are damages that are above and beyond medical bills and wage laws. They're meant to punish the person. I can think of a case where a gentleman had 2 pit bulls put down for attacking people. It was on his 3rd pit bull, and this pit bull attacked and severely injured my client's hand to the point where she had trouble even making a fist, extensive nerve damage. In that case, we hired an expert witness to testify about all the conduct that led to the production of this, extremely dangerous dog. Those are the kind of things a lawyer can do for you, a good lawyer.